The Russian vlogger who was arrested for allegedly harassing Filipinos was presented to the media in a press conference on Monday, April 7. While the press conference was ongoing, Vitaly Zadorovetsky was handcuffed, but this did not stop him from snatching the hat of an officer on his right. He also made the L sign while Department of Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla was discussing the Russians' charges. According to Remulla, the vlogger is under the custody of the Bureau of Immigration as an undesirable alien. Remulla says the Russian will remain in the Philippines to face charges that will be filed against him.
Ay doon muna siya mananatili sa Bureau of Immigration Detention Facility sa Muntinlupa habang siya ay naghihintay ng paglitis niya rito. Hindi po namin siya ididikot. Mananagot siya sa batas dito sa Pilipinas.
Remulla emphasizes that this case will serve as a warning for foreigners who will not respect Philippine laws.
Tapos na po ang mga dayuhan, nakala na lang, kaya na lang napasanin ang mga Pilipino. Ito ay ehemplo na seryoso tayo na sa sariling bayan natin, hindi tayo magpapabasa sa kanila.
Zadorovetsky was arrested after clips from his livestream videos went viral and drew the ire of Filipinos. Video clips showed the vlogger grabbing a security guard's hat and attempting to seize the gun of another security guard. He was also seen threatening to rob a woman.